This is police work at its best. This is what the PNP can do pag led well at maganda ang ating pagkakaunawa at pag-coordinate sa iba't ibang ahensya. But this is what policemen do. They go after and enforce court orders and go after those who have had cases filed against them. At nakita natin, desidido ang ating mga pulis at ang instruction ko sa kanila, etong last time, sinabi ko, pagpasok natin, huwag na kayong aalis dyan hanggat makuha na ninyo siya. And that's exactly what they did. Nakita niyo naman, we had to engage so many parts of the agencies, mga technical, yung mga intelligence services, lahat, kasama lahat yan. But it was, in the end, it was a police action that brought Apollo Kibuloy to the arms of the law. The question that is being asked constantly, kagabi pa hanggang ngayon, nag-surrender ba o nahuli? I think that's a legal question, pero ganitong iniisip mo, hindi siya lilitaw kung hindi namin hinabol ng gusto. Ang pagkaintindi ko, ang pag-surrender, pag sinabing surrender, I don't know, maybe the legalists can explain this. Pero ngunit ang pagkaintindi ko, ang surrender, kapag wanted ka, ang surrender, pupunta ka sa police station o sa, ewan ko, sa prosecutor, I don't know kung saan. Sabihin, ito an official authority. Sasabihin, nagsusurrender na ako. Alam ko may court order na, may arrest order na ako, kaya magsusurrender na ako. Hindi ganyan yung nangyari. Ang nangyari, napilitan siyang lumabas dahil malapit na ang pulis sa kanya.